From the world's biggest IPO to the world's biggest listed company, shares of state-owned oil giant Saudi Aramco have soared on debut, and it hit the 10% daily limit within seconds of trading on Riyadh's Tadawul exchange. So the exchange had just closed this hour, and shares ended the day at 35.2 riyal each, over $9 up from the IPO price of 32 riyal. That price gives the oil giant a market value of about $1.88 trillion, making it the world's most valuable listed company. And that also makes it bigger than the top 5 oil companies combined. That's not the only record Saudi Aramco has broken. Last week, it raised $25.6 billion in a record-shattering IPO. It beat Chinese e-commerce giant Alibaba's $25 billion listing back in 2014. Saudi Aramco's IPO is the bedrock of Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman's strategy to overhaul the economy by selling a portion of the company to raise funds to diversify Riyadh's economy away from oil. And it's been pulling all the stops to make a big splash in its trading debut. It dangled sweeteners for local investors, including the possibility of bonus shares if they held onto the stock. The firm has reportedly been courting investors for another listing in Asia, in either China or Japan. But volatile oil prices may stand in the way of its goal. Oil prices are in the red today amid reports of a rise in U.S. crude stockpile, and this is despite Saudi Arabia's efforts to prop up prices. It struck a deal with OPEC and agreed to additional output cuts last week.